A common requirement in Salesforce is to use visual indicators to highlight key fields. These indicators can provide a quick and easy way to understand the status of a record at a glance. Previously, implementing these indicators in Salesforce was possible, but often complicated to set up and maintain. Now, with the introduction of conditional formatting, adding visual indicators to your key fields is easy and intuitive. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paolo and I'm a Salesforce consultant based in the UK. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add conditional formatting to your most important fields. Let's jump straight into it. So, since we have nothing to enable beforehand, we can jump straight into the Lightning App Builder. I'll be using cases for this example, but you can use any object you like. So, I'll navigate to a case record, and then on the cogwheel, I'll click Edit Page. Now that we are in the Lightning App Builder, you'll notice that I have a dynamic page and a custom field called Risk Rating. The Risk Rating pick list field has three values: low, medium, and high, and it's used to indicate the risk rating of this case record. When I select the field, you can see on the right-hand side that we have a new option called Conditional Formatting. So all we need to do now is create a new rule set. A rule set is like a bucket that will hold all of the rules you create. For example, we'll create a rule set called Risk Rating. Then we can add multiple rules within this rule set to cover all of our scenarios. So the first rule will be for the low value. For this, we'll select the solid circle with a check icon and we'll change the color to green. Under Formatting, this is where we can select the criteria. So we'll select Risk Rating as a field and then low for value. Notice that here you can reference a range of different fields in this object. You can also add more conditions and have custom logic if needed. So now we'll save this rule, and we can create a new rule for the medium value without having to create a new rule set. So I'll do something similar for the medium risk rating. And I'll do the same thing for the final high value. All I have to do now is save the rule set and ensure that it's selected under my desired field. So let's take a look at how this comes together. Here we have our risk rating field, and we can see that the low value has the right visual indicator. That's great. Now, if we change the value to medium, we can see that this changes accordingly. And finally, the high value has the solid circle with an X indicator. If you like this video, then you'll probably like my other Salesforce video where I go over visibility filters in a dynamic Lightning record page. Catch you next time.